let's talk about props today. We're going to go over prop direction. This is probably the #1 question I get all the time. Alex, why doesn't my drone fly? Why does only one side of the drone want to flip and keep flipping over? Why won't it take off? Well, answer to that is prop direction. So to make it more simple, here's a diagram. Top 2, like that. Bottom 2, like that. Okay? And if you always put your props on that way, you're guaranteed it's not your props that are having the issue. Another big question is, when do I change my props? Props over time get damaged, bent, broken, have issues. Kind of like this little guy right here. Just cruising along, lost power to my drone, crashed into the ground, bent up my prop, tried to take off, drone was doing this, it was not good. That's when you should change your prop. When it's missing chunks or pieces of the prop, it throws it out of balance and it makes it wobble, it makes it not fly right, and it can actually do damage to your drone or your motors or your board. So that's when you need to be changing your props. Now, you don't have to change your props after every flight. I know some people that do. It's not utterly critical like that. Just make sure your props are in good condition. Make it part of your pre-flight check. Make sure that they're okay, they're not notched up, and they're in good shape. Don't forget to crash into that like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.